Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This side Nupur. I'm delighted to bring some exciting news from Eurodreams. We have recently launched a brand new feature on our website called Course Finder, which will make it easier for you to discover the perfect academic program that matches your interest and academic background. We believe that this new feature will simplify the search process for the prospective students and provide them with the more accurate results, saving their valuable time and efforts. Head over to our website, try out the Course Finder, and take the first step towards your dream career. Now, I will walk you through the simple steps on how to use this feature to search for courses that suit your preferences. First, you will need to visit our website. Once you are there, navigate to the Courses tab on the home page and click on Course Finder. This will take you to a new page where you will be prompted to provide some basic details like your name, email address, and contact number. After submitting your personal details, you will be asked to select either bachelor's or master's depending on the level of education you are interested in. Once you have made your selection, you will then need to enter your percentage or grade depending on your country's grading system. Finally, select your field of study and our Course Finder tool will generate a list of universities and courses that fit your background and preferences. Thank you for choosing Eurodreams. We look forward to helping you achieve your academic goals. And for free counseling sessions, connect with our counselors. The contact details are given below. Thank you.